Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be continuing flip-flop. So we'll be seeing what is a clock. So clock is like a sequence given to the circuit. So how the circuit will operate for a given time on the basis of time. So it decides the time of the input. So it also decides the time of the input for how long this input is used for that period. And the clock, we can say clock is like a signal which goes from low to high and then high to low, and again this repeats like periodically. So we see that for initially it was like 0, and after it is reaching a high state, so that is 1, and this, like, when it is going up it is known as leading edge, and when it is when it is like going from high to low, it is called the falling edge. Like for the time which it is low, it will be exactly the same time it will be high. Like, so its duty cycle is always like 50%. So I will explain you what is duty cycle. So duty cycle, so like it is a ratio. So I read the definition, like ratio of time for which signal is high to the total time, so duty cycle, that is equals to, suppose like we consider from this to this, this is a time period, so t, and we know that this time period is t by 2 and this time period is also t by 2. So the time for it is high, so it is like t by 2 upon total time, so this will be half, or we can say as 50%. So the clock is like the input. Suppose we consider like a flip-flop, I'll explain in the later videos. Suppose we have like input S and R, and we have the output Q and Q bar for that, and we also need a clock to like process the flip-flop and to pass the input. So the flip-flop will be only operational when it is high, or we can set the flip-flop, or we can design the circuit as is when it is like moving upwards. So this is all about clock. So thanks for watching it.